Good morning, ladies. Miss you all, and I'm making a little video for you today. Okay, so today we are going to do a CD cover. You're going to recreate one. It should have no elements of the original CD cover whatsoever. So create the album. Obviously you have to use text, maybe a photograph, maybe you draw something. Be creative. So for today, listen up. All you need to do is steps 1 and 2. So research. There's an article, How to Design an Album Cover. Read that. Watch my video, which you're already doing, so great. And then decide on the album that you want to do. So pick an artist. You could also create your own. So it could be a CD cover for your band or a friend's band or whatever. I'll show you some examples in a minute. And then you're going to fill out this CD planning worksheet and do 3 rough sketches. No big deal, rough sketches, okay? That's all you need to do for today. And then next week, Tuesday, Thursday, we'll work on designing this. We got 3 weeks, ladies. We could do this, okay? So, whoops. Let's just look at this really quick. Do we really need to see me still? I don't know how to get rid of that. Okay, so Ariana Grande, didn't even need to put her name on there, and then Sweetener, small. Again, if you're going to choose her album to recreate, you're not going to have her picture on there. The words are going to look different. Make sure you switch it up, okay? I like this one just because it's simple. The type is really well done. The colors, nice little drawing there. Taylor Swift. Okay, the only reason I pulled this one out is, again, if you're going to do Metallica, you're not going to use this type. You're going to create your own type, okay? So you cannot pull elements from their CD covers and use them. All your own. Got it? This is nice. Nicki Minaj, and the pink print is small. I love how she has the 2 different typefaces at the bottom. Okay, student examples. Ed Sheeran. Maeve did her own, so she created this album for herself. Really clever with, think about all these Photoshop things that you've learned. So she added a bunch of butterflies, put the type, and then put more type on it, a background image. So the more layers, the more fun you could have with it, the better it's going to be. She too did a bunch of different layers on here. Really great type. She just had some fun, and you could totally, do a fun one for your friends, and maybe do something like that. Collage it up. I mean, that's fine. Again, just really great type. So she altered the image. She added type in the background. Really effective design. This is really adorable. She did this illustration for the band, although she left out the title. So I'll post that so you could take a look at it. We'll use Photoshop and Ibis Paint, and I'll do another presentation next Tuesday about that. But like I said, just do a bunch of planning today, brainstorm ideas, have fun with it. That's it. If you have questions, come to Google Hangout and ask me, or shoot me an email. All right? Hang in there, guys. We got this.